So, once again, welcome dear friends. We will again start with the revision of second topic, that is electrical potential and capacitance. So, yesterday we have seen the definition of potential. So, in short, we can write about potential as what I told. Potential is work done per unit charge. It's simple. So we can write it as to be V is equal to W upon Q. So it will be actually joule per coulomb and its unit will be volt. What it will be? Volt. Concept of potential, the name is given by the name of the scientist, which is your volt. So that is the name for electrical potential. So as you know everything you have studied. So actually potential at point. So concept of potential at point. Potential at a given point. What I told you, due to a charge Q. So yesterday we have discussed this topic, this point, है ना? Potential at a given point due to charge Q. So while calculating the potential at given point, what you will have? You will consider source charge, then you will consider test charge at certain distance r. So suppose if this is your source charge Q and this is the distance r and this is the infinite distance. So suppose I have to bring, this is very important, a test charge from where beta? कहाँ से निकालेंगे बेटा? From infinity to given point. That is very important. From infinity to given. Okay. So if you want to take this charge from this distance, infinite distance, at a distance r. So at this point we will get potential at a point due to a charge q. So suppose this is my test charge, that will be q, unit positive charge. So it will be unit positive charge that you are knowing. No need to again explain. So while calculating the formula, what we will write? Will of course we will write V is equal to KQ upon R, not R square. It is just KQ upon R. Got my point? This is due to point. If now we are interested in calculating potential due to system of charges, then what you have to do? You have to do the algebraic sum of potential due to each charge. Suppose there is a point, common point, and there are two charges. Suppose here is one common point, and here there are two charges. This is plus q, and this is minus q. For example, separated by distance, say same distance. So this is also r, this is also r. Now at this point, if you want to calculate electric field, then for electric field there is no problem. What you will do, beta? What you will do for electric field? You will get the idea of electric lines of force. You will get the idea of electric lines of force, and accordingly the resultant electric field, electric force you may calculate. But as we know, here we want to calculate potential. So here you will separately calculate potential due to this charge and potential due to this charge, and you will have the algebraic addition of that. You will have the algebraic addition of them. So that will become our potential due to system of charges. आपके लिए इतना ज़्यादा कुछ ये नहीं है, इसका एकदम just you may go with it. Okay, but as the exam point of view you must be knowing that. So this is the case in which we can calculate the potential for the system of charge. Getting the point? So once this concept is over, then we will go for the new concept that is called the potential energy. What it is called as potential energy. So for potential energy, it's very simple. Yesterday only I told you na, about potential energy. U, है ना? I told you. So for U, that is potential energy, nothing you have to do, but wherever you are using test charge na, so work done per unit charge you are doing na. So you don't do that because work done is stored in the form of energy. If work done is stored in the form of energy, then no need to divide by test charge, isn't it? So if you are not dividing by test charge, then my potential energy directly we can write. So work done W will be stored in the form of energy, and my energy will become U is equal to K Q upon R. Raise on. Now it is up to you. If there is a system of two charges, I told you. Suppose there are two charges. This is Q1 and this is Q2. Okay. 1, 2. So U1 will be U1 plus U2. U1 कितना है बेटा? K Q1 Q2 upon R12. Correct no? Raise of plus K Q2. Will it be necessary? Will it be necessary? Just open your NCERT. Do you have that? This is the thing. If it is not, then no problem. Anybody, open the section of potential energy and you find for potential energy of system of charges. And look at that, what they are giving. Yes, three charges are there. What formula is given? 1, 2, 3. Bola. Q1, Q2. Then Q2, Q3. Then Q1, Q3. Q2, Q3 and Q1, Q3 also. Na? So, for each charge, what they are doing? What are the neighbors? So each time they are taking with the neighbors. But have you searched over there? Once they are taking Q1, Q2, then are they taking Q2, Q1? No. So for two charges, this will be there. So U1 plus U2, no. Perfectly one combination is there. If you want to do for one, then this will be this Q2, Q1 will be. That will be same. Are you getting your point? Because they both will combine the form that energy. Are you getting my point? That is the energy of system. Getting? So at one point, you may be considering this as source, this as phase, like that. Anything you can do with that. And when you have to go for more than 2, then what will you do, beta? 1, 2, 3, then 1, 2, 1, 3, sorry, 1, 2, 2, 3 and 1, 3. 4 are there then, 1, 2, 1, 3, sorry, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, ये हो गया, बाद में 1, 3, 1, 4, और एक बच गया, 2, 4. तो हर एक का एक कॉम्बिनेशन आता है. तो इसके लिए समेशन में भी लिखते हैं. आई थिंक मैंने आपको दिया है. When I took that lecture, at that time I have given that formula, quoting the summation. Getting my point? So that is all about potential energy. No need to be worried about much more about that. Okay. So here I will suggest you what you have to do. That is very important. At the exam point of view, what to study for exam? Important points for exam. Now, important points for exam, in that they will not ask you this. Does it mean that it is not important? No. Before doing any task, you must know this. That's why I am teaching you this. Otherwise, I was not interested in teaching this. Right? You will be getting that. But before doing any important thing, you have to know these things. तो पोटेंशियल कैसे आता है, वर्क डन क्या होता है, why the concept of phase charge is there, why the concept of source charge is there, and how we are finding out. Because it is the relational point. जैसा हमने ग्रेविटी में पढ़ा था, वो सेम यहाँ पे हमने इलेक्ट्रोस्टैटिक में पढ़ा पूरा चैप्टर 1. नाउ चैप्टर 2 में भी ग्रेविटी के पोटेंशियल का कंसेप्ट दैट वी हैव सीन. सो बेटा, what I mean to say is that the concept of work and energy is applicable everywhere. So now you are mature, you are not small chaps. So you have to think accordingly. थोड़ा मैं क्या बोल रहा हूँ, जरा थोड़ा सुन के लो, आपको भी बता रहा हूँ, आपके साथ भी बोलना. The concept of work and energy is everywhere. I will start. Mechanics. Mechanics में भी बॉडी रखा है, पोटेंशियल एनर्जी है. बॉडी मूव कर रहा है, काइनेटिक एनर्जी है. Why it is moving? Velocity is there. Why velocity is there? Applied force is there. Why velocity is there? Actually displacement is there. Why displacement is there? Force is there. Force is there. Yes. Displacement is there. Yes. Energy is there. Which energy? Kinetic. Body is at rest, having potential. Gravitational means on Earth surface, body is kept. Gravitational potential energy. Body is connected to the spring. Spring potential energy. है ना? Body is moving. हाँ, moving. Kinetic energy will be there, but moving along the circle. Instead of that, electron is revolving around the nucleus. It will have binding energy. Satellite moving around the earth, binding energy. है ना? So this concept of energy is everywhere, and everywhere we use work energy theorem for variable force. What is that? Yesterday also I told W is equal to integration F dot dr. That you are knowing. So by applying this work energy theorem, we will be able to calculate the energy. Getting my point? So first of all, let me explain you that for your magnet topic, magnet, second part, magnetic effect not. Next, torque acting is cancelled. Torque acting on the dipole, magnetic dipole is cancelled. But torque acting on electric dipole is there. Okay? So important point में आपको पहले लिखना पड़ेगा इलेक्ट्रिक डाइपोल. नंबर 1, electric dipole. Everybody able to see this line? Electric dipole. What we have to learn? Number 1, A, potential energy, potential, and B, potential energy. VVIMP, ये वाला कंसेप्ट VVIMP. क्यों? क्योंकि यहाँ पे आपको दो टाइप का इक्विलिब्रियम आता है. हैव यू नोटिस दैट? कौन सा आता है? कौन बोलेगा? स्टेबल इक्विलिब्रियम है ना बेटा? स्टेबल एंड अनस्टेबल इक्विलिब्रियम. तो सपोज अपना डायपोल है, यहाँ पे लिखा रहा हूँ, यहाँ पे -q, यहाँ पे +q, and it is rotated by some angle theta. समझते हैं ना? Are you able to understand? Theta is the angle. I have rotated. Now electric field is there, suppose. So now it will apply the torque. Okay. So torque will be having two formulas. In magnet, mb sin theta, and in electric P sin theta. Are you getting my point? And from that we can calculate for dipole energy also, both for magnetic dipole and for electric dipole. अगर वो magnetic है, mb sin theta will be torque and mb cos theta will be your potential energy. The same way here Pe sin theta will be going in torque and Pe cos theta that will be coming in your potential energy. So let's take that potential energy of the dipole. Is it there? You also better check open NCERT. हाँ, नाश्ता करते करते लेक्चर में देखो थोड़ा. हाँ, खोलो बुक खोलो. I know that you are not opening. That's why I'm calling it. Hey, you open your book. Okay, what is the page number? 55. देख लो बेटा, 55 में रहेगा. क्या फॉर्मूला है? अभी मजा आ रहा है ना? I enjoying the lecture. What is the formula, beta? No formula given. Yes. You, beta. अरे potential energy of dipole. Is it there or not? It will be written over there. Pe cos theta. Okay. It is there now. Last 10 years I am teaching. I know that, but I was just checking. And I am the shikar of STML, na? Short term memory loss. STML. You learn HTML and STML. Short term memory loss. So P cos theta से आएगा. So when energy is maximum and when it is minimum, depending on that you will have stable and unstable equilibrium. So beta, for you people also, today right now only after completing this lecture आपको देखना है and you have to be writing. You will be writing that in short when the potential energy is minimum and if it is minimum what it is called, whether it is stable or unstable. So in mechanics also the same is there. In electrostatics the same concept is there. In magnet also it is same. So I am giving you the concepts which are common to you in all 11, 12. So stable, unstable equilibrium. Just write with you 100% something will come. Some example they will give you problem, and in that they will tell you to find out the position for unstable equilibrium. Then you must be knowing what should be the value of potential energy, yes or no. At that point you will be having idea. So this is one of the important points, that is electric dipole, potential and potential energy, stable, unstable equilibrium, 100%. If it is not there in your questions, मेरे को गाली दो. No problem. It's my promise that it will come. Okay. That was about electric dipole. Okay. So the half part of this topic deals with potential energy, एंड डाइपोल, बस दैट्स ऑल। और भूलना मत, भूल के भी ये गलती मत करना, इसको स्किप करने की, क्या प्रॉब्लम्स ऑन वी एंड यू। वी मतलब पोटेंशियल, यू मतलब पोटेंशियल एनर्जी। छोटे छोटे प्रॉब्लम, 2 मार्क के प्रॉब्लम, 3 मार्क के प्रॉब्लम, 5 मार्क के प्रॉब्लम नहीं आते, 2 मार्क के प्रॉब्लम होते। नेवर एवर फॉरगेट, नेवर एवर फॉरगेट to do that. Very important. Problem solving. So this is the half section. Everybody understood? Now we'll go for next important part. Okay? Everybody note it down with you? Okay. In short, you may note down or you may tick. आपको भी जैसे करना है वैसे करो. No problem. चलो अभी देखते हैं. तो भी साथ लेना होता है. Actually they want to come, but still having a dilemma, to be or not to be. Okay. So beta, now we will come up with another section, that is the capacitor. So VIMP. So I told you yesterday to just read about principle of capacitor. How many of you read? Raise your hands. Nobody. Only one. Okay? Because that I am not going to repeat. My lecture is also there. आपको भी बोल रहा हूँ, lecture देखिए, हो जाएगा. There is nothing special. मैं आपको क्या क्या बोलने वाला हूँ यहाँ पे आपको लिख के देता हूँ. So first of all, you must be knowing, only knowing. You must be only knowing. They will not ask directly. But capacitor क्या होता है? हाँ? So capacitor, हाँ? Capacitor, capacitance. What is mean by the capacitance? मतलब definition of capacitance of the capacitor. Any type of capacitor. उसको capacity भी बोलते हैं. Capacitance is also called as capacity. Sometimes they ask capacity. You not be jumbled. That is the same thing. Then SI unit क्या आता है? Farad. Next thing, some conversion units, micro, millifarad, microfarad, nanofarad, picofarad, amok farad, सगळे करून टाकायचे. Everything. There is nothing special. Very important is the dimensions of capacitance. They are asking some Lallu question. So in the category of Lallu questions, they may take the read of capacity. You be ready. Otherwise, what do you think? Easy question. But I did not read that. So in exam, I was not able to write that. Now I will get marks out of 69 instead of 7. Okay. Permittivity, permeability, capacitance, everything. You must be knowing their units, dimension. For 11th class, gravitational constant. These are important things. Getting my point? Okay. So now we will go for parallel plate capacitor. Okay. So capacitance of. So that is very important. ये पहला point हुआ. Second point, parallel plate capacitor. इसमें दो टाइप आते हैं. क्या क्या आता है? नंबर 1 with dielectrics, है ना? With dielectrics and without dielectrics, है ना? हाँ, means conducting sheet. That is, these are the special cases. I will tell you. Without. Now, metals, conductors, they are different than the dielectrics. Dielectric is that which will be helping to boost or to maintain the potential difference. So, the difference between dielectric slab and metal slab. Dielectric slab, what will happen? It will try to maintain the polarity, whatever charge is there. So, charge will be well residing on the plates. यहाँ पे पॉजिटिव है तो उसको आराम से बैठने दो, बीच बीच में ठोकेगा. लेकिन if metallic slab if you are putting, then somehow it will start conducting. Charge will start conducting in between, not directly, but so there is a big possibility of leakage of charge. Charge leak होता है. Leak मतलब कम होता है ना? It will go off. So whatever is the potential gap between the plates, that will be the electric potential difference. है ना? And how we are getting that? It has different formula. First in topic 1, we learn electric field to be Newton per Coulomb, F upon Q. But now the formula will be different. Do you know this formula? E is equal to minus dV by dr. Rate of change of potential with respect to this. और सिंपली आपको अगर ये थोड़ा सा डिफिकल्ट लग रहा है तो E इज इक्वल टू जस्ट V बाई डी लिखो उसको, कुछ प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, क्योंकि इसको हम T बोलते हैं, इसको बोलते हैं डिस्टेंस ऑफ सेपरेशन. तो क्या क्या करना है आपको? फॉर सब्जेक्टिव डेरिवेशन विद डाइलेक्ट्रिक विदाउट डाइलेक्ट्रिक. PS फॉर PS कितना ज्यादा फॉर्मूला है. PS के लिए क्या क्या करना है बेटा? PS और प्रॉब्लम ऐसा बोलते हैं. प्रॉब्लम्स के लिए नंबर 1 स्फेरिकल है ना बेटा, स्फेरिकल सिलिंड्रिकल और क्या आपने बताया वो मेटेलिक स्लैब ऑफ थिकनेस T है ना. तो इतना आपको करना है कैपेसिटर. समझ गए? ये सब करना. मेटेलिक स्लैब ऑफ थिकनेस T. बच्चे बोले कि बीच में सर कहाँ जाते हैं? स्क्रीन के बाहर. So thickness T. So now I will give you some 1-2 minutes. Till that I will have water, and till that you check whether all formulae you are having with you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and if any other, just check. Are you having? Just revise. You also better revise. आप भी रिवाइज करो. ये अपना रिवीजन लेक्चर है. एक्चुअली मैंने कम बोलना चाहिए. बगा जस्ट चेक. If it is not, then get my lecture on capacitor. In that lecture, you will not be able to see my face. They were long ago, historical. I have written with my hands, but that was very smooth and fine, and you will be able to concentrate on the text. So there you will get 5 formula are there. D upon D into 1 minus P, something like that. K, that everything you have to see. Getting my point, everybody? Okay. And mostly, everybody look at me. You also look at me. Thank you. This topic rather will be serving as MS Dhoni. MS Dhoni, you know, Mahi. Mahi is God now. Why? In any situation, Mahi has already trained his mind. Okay? He will make you to win the match. So if you have to win the match, then this is Mahi. क्योंकि कोई भी बंदा ऐसा नहीं है, nobody ever in India, in world, for 12th physics your class, without capacitor, they will ask you question. Nobody. Once the physics paper is there, you will have capacitor. Whether it may be JEE, one question compulsory. लिख दो अभी लिख दो. CET one question compulsory. Board 1-2 questions compulsory. तो बेटा पढ़ाई ऐसे करने का है अभी. सब लेके बैठ गया, अरे कुछ आता नहीं है, सो गया. क्या है? कैपेसिटर तो करो. First you keep in your mind. No, I have to do each and everything in capacitor. Let me see. Which questions you are setting? Huh? Any question you say, I'll be able to write down. 3-4 marks in your pocket. कितना टाइम करना लगता है कैपेसिटर के लिए बेटा? टाइम मैनेजमेंट. आप बोल रहे थे ना, कोई तो बोल रहा था टाइम मैनेजमेंट. हाँ, no, one student in doubt session was okay. For that student I will not disclose the name. ABC XYZ MNO whatever. Time management is very important. And how to do the time management in our next lecture. Soon we will be coming with that. Let me tell you, for capacitor, if you sit 1 hour, how many? 1 hour only, single hour, you will be master of capacitor. Master. Any problem you will get. Yes. Only thing is that you have to read it carefully and practice it. क्या क्या करना है? कैपेसिटर का प्रिंसिपल क्या होता है, वर्किंग कैसे होता है, ये फॉर्मूले कैसे आते हैं, ये कहाँ का क्या यूज करना है, खत्म. और कुछ है क्या? नहीं. ये एक बार कर लिया आधा घंटा, ये 2 घंटा लगेगा मास्टर बनने के. मास्टर ऑफ मास्टर 2 आवर्स. ये 2 कर लिया, बोर्ड का हो गया काम. ये कर लिया, बोर्ड में कुछ पीडीएस लेवल का क्वेश्चन पूछा, देन ऑल्सो यू विल बी एबल टू आंसर दैट. और ये किया तो आपका कॉम्पिटिटिव भी हो जाएगा. हाँ, एक ही पत्थर में 3 पंछी उड़ाए, हो गया काम. कैपेसिटर इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. नाउ व्हाट टू डू, हाउ टू डू, डोंट वरी, आई एम देयर. आज पूरा कैपेसिटर के ऊपर बोलने वाले हैं. ये लास्ट है ना इस टॉपिक. सो देयर इज नो प्रॉब्लम. आई एम गोइंग टू स्पीक ऑन कैपेसिटर. दिस इज ओके. Shall I go further? So now, what is the idea? How to keep in mind the things? ये भी आपको भी बताने जाने वाला हूँ, क्योंकि कैपेसिटर में इतना वास्ट कंसेप्ट है, बहुत सारे डिफरेंट टाइप के प्रॉब्लम आपको आते हैं, और इसीलिए बच्चे परेशान हो जाते हैं. इसलिए वो टीचर को भी आने देने लगते हैं. लेकिन एट लास्ट एग्जाम में कैपेसिटर के ऊपर क्वेश्चन आते हैं और आपको वो सॉल्व करने पड़ते हैं. तो यू हैव टू, यू मस्ट. ठीक. पहले तो देखते हैं व्हाट इज द रिलेशन. पहले तो हमने देखा पैरेलल प्लेट कैपेसिटर पीपीसी. आई मेक अ शॉर्ट फॉर्म पीपीसी, पैरेलल प्लेट कैपेसिटर. What formula I gave? E is equal to V upon D or V is equal to ED. ये एक आंसर. ओके. PPC सेकेंड फॉर्मूला कैपेसिटेंस के लिए कौन सा? C dash is equal to K C. करेक्ट नो? और ये K क्या हो जाता है? डाइलेक्ट्रिक कांस्टेंट, जो आपने डाइलेक्ट्रिक बीच में लगा दिया. अभी यहाँ पे डायग्राम वगैरह नहीं दिया है. सुन लो बच्चों, ये K जो है, ये जो 2 प्लेट है उसके बीच में जो डाइलेक्ट्रिक है उसका डाइलेक्ट्रिक कांस्टेंट. सो यहां से आप लिख सकते हैं आपको c डैश बाय c इज इक्वल टू k। तो ये तो आपको आना चाहिए, एकदम सिंपल होता है ना। ओके, इधर तक तो ठीक है। अभी जहां पे पोटेंशियल और चार्ज वगैरह आता है ना, तो गड़बड़ हो जाता है। सो वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट इज Q इज इक्वल टू कितना, चार्ज। कैसे लिखते हैं, CV ना, अरे भूल गए, Q चार्ज, CV है ना, और C is equal to Q. Check it. Open. You are having. You also open. check करा. This is your revision. मेरे साथ करोगे तो अच्छा रिवीजन। क्या है? Q is equal to means Q is equal to CV. Here accept. Q is equal to CV and C is equal to Q upon V. So beta, now this is very interesting. इन लोगों में कौन ऐसा है जो कांस्टेंट रहता है दिए हुए कैपेसिटर के लिए? कौन रहता है कांस्टेंट? बोलिए बोलिए बोलिए। ऑफ कोर्स द कैपेसिटेंस that will not be changing till you are not changing the assembly. So this is constant. So can I write some relations regarding to that? तो यहाँ पे लिखिए, ठीक है। तो यहां से पहला रिलेशन बनता है क्या, और Q by V is equal to constant. Q is directly proportional to V और V is directly proportional to Q, whatever. प्रोवाइड क्या करते हैं, ऐसा बता ही नहीं सकते, चार्ज प्रोवाइड करते हैं, पोटेंशियल डेवलप होता है। लेकिन आप बोल सकते हो सर हमने पोटेंशियल डेवलप किया इसलिए वो वहां पे चार्ज आ गया ना। दिस इज द ब्यूटी ऑफ फिजिक्स। मुर्गा, मुर्गी और अंडा होते हैं ना, क्या पहले, मुर्गी पहले, अंडे से निकलती है, वैसे ही। लेकिन उन लोगों के बीच में कैसा है, देयर इज अ direct proportion. Get it? Okay, understood. Now this small thing we will expand and then we will go for finding out charge stored in the capacitor with respect to potential. So if it is my capacitor, अभी D वगैरह उसको मत ले, तो यहाँ पे प्लस 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 है तो ऑफकोर्स यहाँ पे माइनस। तो अगर चार्ज Q है तो यहाँ पे प्लस Q बराबर, यहाँ पे माइनस Q। गेटिंग द पॉइंट? ये क्या हो जाएगा बेटा, B हो जाएगा, और इसका जो कांस्टेंट वैल्यू हो जाएगा विल बी C। दैट्स ऑल। गेटिंग द पॉइंट? ओके। सो what they will be asking you, they will be mixing the problems. They will be mixing the problems. Which problems? Series, parallel, है ना, with dielectric, without dielectric, है ना, so that you have to keep it. Okay, so if they are giving dielectric, don't worry, C dash is KC, bas, that's all. Go on doing that. So first is series. यहाँ पे क्या ढूंढेंगे? हाँ, अभी सीरीज से बात हुआ, रेजिस्टर्स, कार्बन कोड, कलर कोड, कार्बन रेजिस्टर्स, सीरीज, पैरेलल मतलब नहीं है, नॉट देयर इन एग्जाम। सीरीज, पैरेलल, नॉट कैपेसिटर, रेजिस्टर, कलर कोड ऑफ रेजिस्टर, कार्बन रेजिस्टर, सीरीज इन रेजिस्टेंस इन सीरीज, रेजिस्टेंस इन पैरेलल, कट। ये है सब कैसे कट करते? आप बोलोगे सर और भी कट होने वाला है सर, बम्पर मोड। तो सीरीज में क्या क्या दो सीरीज में लगाया, C1 और C2। कैसे लिखते हैं, 1/CS इज इक्वल टू 1/C1 प्लस 1/C2। कैसे आता है, क्या आता है, देखने का जरूरत नहीं है। क्या जरूरत है, फिर कांस्टेंट क्या रहता है? हाँ, बच्चे यहाँ पे अटक जाते। मिस्टर, विल यू टेल मी फीचर what is kept constant in series and what is kept constant in parallel. Series में Q constant, V. So in my lectures also I have told C constant, sorry, क्या constant? Q constant and V variable. V को लिखने का जरूरत. और पैरेलल में क्या? डायरेक्ट ऐड करने का. इतना तो कर सकते हो. तो पैरेलल तो ख्याल रखो. पैरेलल का ध्यान में रखना. सीरीज भूल जाओ. क्यों? इसका उल्टा है वो सीरीज में करने का. सिंपल है. पैरेलल माने एडिशन. पैरेलल माने एडिशन मतलब अरे क्या ये दोनों को मैंने पैरेलल किया बेटा. तो वहां पे सीपी और enjoy the season. Season 4. Big Salman. Big Boss. Season. C1 C2 C1 plus C2. That's all. So here which is kept constant? Which is kept constant? V is constant. बस that's all. इतना करना चाहिए आपको. ये टॉपिक का पढ़ाई करने के लिए. ऐसा नहीं है. अलसस्ते कुतो विद्या. If you are lazy, then how vidya will come to you? Vidya means knowledge. Don't take it otherwise. How the knowledge will come to you? So you have to be working 24/7. आप करोगे तो आपको मिलेगा. अभी कितना मार्क हो गया अपना? 16 में से 8 मार्क का अपना होने वाला है. देखो बेटा. नाउ इट्स अप टू यू. इसके ऊपर प्रॉब्लम्स कौन कौन से आते हैं? मेरा पहले वाले लेक्चर सब देखो. सब टाइप के प्रॉब्लम. आई हैव सॉल्व ईच एंड एवरी प्रॉब्लम. यू कांट बिलीव ईच एंड एवरी प्रॉब्लम आई हैव सॉल्व ऑन द बोर्ड. सो टुडेज योर ड्यूटी, यस्टरडेज वर्क यू हैव नॉट डन. मतलब आपका कल के लिए काम. आज के लिए, कल के लिए. आज सुबह को बताया ना मैंने. मतलब कल आप देखोगे. So your work is, if you have not studied principle of capacitor, please do that, because it's very 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 important. And now on this you have to solve the problem. What are those problems? Just we'll take the overview. Okay, don't worry about it. इसके ऊपर भी प्रॉब्लम है. Okay, this is not given directly in your book. Okay, and one point is there that I have skipped over here, that is equipotential surface. Okay, that I will take it afterwards. ये होने के बाद. Have you understood? Have you understood capacitor? Have you understood, everybody? At least you have got the idea. Okay, now you have to work on it. So can I ask you which derivations you will do for this topic? Parallel plate capacitor with dielectric, without dielectric, electric dipole, potential energy they may ask you, or potential, electric potential for the dipole. These are the four. Then capacitors in series parallel they may ask you how the series combination is there, how the parallel combination. They may. Spherical, cylindrical, no derivation, only point. Okay, and potential energy, how we calculate potential energy. These are the derivations as the exam pointer. In board also nowadays, instead of asking derivations, they are asking derivation as a problem. If the problem is of 3 marks, problem is of 3 marks, what they will do? They will make A, B, C. आपको A आ रहा है, B नहीं आ रहा है, C आ रहा है, 2 ही मार्क मिलेगा. उसको और में दे देंगे. दूसरा है A, B, C. उसमें A भी आ रहा है, C नहीं आ रहा है. तो मैंने क्या बताया आपको? You have to select the correct question, which will give you those 2 marks. 2 मार्क ही मिलने वाले उसमें दोनों में, लेकिन किसमें अच्छी तरह से मिल सकते. That you have to decide. Whatever you think that you are confident, you go with it. There is no. Understood? So for capacitor, those only two derivations and remaining all the formula. But not directly inserting the values in the formula. They will give you the situation. Two capacitors are taken which are having capacities C1 and C2. I can also create the formula. कितना कैपेसिटर दिया है? दो दिए है ना. कैपेसिटी कितना है? C1 and C2. Okay. First they are connected in series and then they are connected in parallel. कुछ तो उनको वैल्यू देते हैं, उनका रेशियो निकालो. एक टाइप हो गया. Second, they may give you first capacitance was taken, that is C, then it was filled with dielectrics of dielectric constant K, and it was connected in series with same capacitor without dielectrics, and then it was connected in parallel. Now they will ask you ratio. तो डरने का जरूरत नहीं है. इट्स वेरी सिंपल. जितना बड़ा प्रॉब्लम उतना छोटा, जितना छोटा प्रॉब्लम उतना बहुत बड़ा है. No need to worry. So see, I have opened the opportunity in front of you. If you will do good in capacitor, बाकी सब छोड़ो, किसी को कुछ आता नहीं है, ठीक है. मेरे को कैपेसिटर बहुत अच्छा है. जितना आएगा तोड़ के रखूंगा प्रॉब्लम. I'll break each and every problem. कैपेसिटर I will not do. बाकी भी जीरो मिले. कैपेसिटर पूरा करो. ऐसा पहले करो, बाकी जीरो नहीं, बाकी भी करना है. First, because in these two topics, let me tell you, this is only your friend and phone. Out of that, this is your friend. अच्छा करोगे तो फ्रेंडशिप करेगा आपको. क्योंकि बाद में कितना भी करो आप इलेक्ट्रिसिटी में, ये चार्ज हो, ये हो गया, कुछ तो गड़बड़ करते ही हो. आपको लगता है आई हैव सॉल्व दैट, यस सर. एग्जाम के बाद में नो सर. पहले तो यस सर. क्या होता है? गलती होता है. कुछ साइन इधर उधर करते हैं, गड़बड़ करते हैं. कॉस थीटा रहेगा कॉस 2 थीटा लेते हैं. ऊपर लिखना है तो नीचे लिखते हैं. फोर्स कंपोनेंट निकालना भूल जाते हैं. होता है. इट में है. बट इन दिस इफ यू डू प्रैक्टिस यू विल हैव मार्क्स इन योर पॉकेट. ओके. सो लास्ट बट नॉट द लीस्ट, दैट टाइप इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. हैव यू सीन एवर सच कॉम्बिनेशन? मैंने इसका बहुत प्रैक्टिस किया, इसके ऊपर एग्जाम भी लिया. याद आया? K1 K2 है ना. अरे सर, और ये दूसरा कैसा? ऐसा भी करते हैं, ऐसा भी करते हैं ना. K1 K2. इसके एक आइडिया है, वो आपको बाद में दे दूँ. ये दो तो करो है ना. और एक तीसरा है. तीसरा कैसा है? नहीं, ये दो ही. और एक है बाद में ऐसा दिख रहा है. नहीं आपको दिख रहा है क्या? उनको नहीं दिख रहा है. और फ्रेंड्स आर देयर. मिलियंस ऑफ पीपल आर वाचिंग. मिलियंस 50. ये ऐसा भी होता है बीच में. इसको ये K1 किया है ना, ये K2 किया, K3 किया, तो ये वाले प्रॉब्लम भी सॉल्व कर सकते. आपके पास नोट डाउन करके 100% ऐसा एग्जाम ओरिएंटेड स्टडी को. तो अब तक मैंने कौन कौन से, अभी कितने बजे, व्हाट इज द टाइम? 4 मिनट. 1 घंटा तो हो गया लेक्चर. अभी लेक्चर का खत्म करते हैं इसको. कितना टाइम हो गया? टाइम नहीं दिखा रहा है. 10 मिनट्स में नहीं ना. इंपॉर्टेंट बात बता. क्या क्या अभी I may be telling you 100 of time the important points from chapter 1 and 2. What are important points? नींद से भी जग गया ना वो important point. गॉस थ्योरम एप्लीकेशन, इलेक्ट्रिक डाइपोल एक्सियल इक्वेटोरियल हो गया. कंडक्शन, इंडक्शन, हाँ, कूलम्ब्स लॉ इन वेक्टर फॉर्म, वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. प्रॉब्लम्स ऑन कूलम्ब्स लॉ मीन्स व्हाट? इक्विलिब्रियम ऑफ पार्टिकल. वो क्या पॉइंट नहीं है, उसके ऊपर आपको. और इस टॉपिक में इलेक्ट्रिकल पोटेंशियल, पोटेंशियल एनर्जी, all the combinations electric dipole with potential and potential energy. Stable, unstable. This will count only for dipole, not for regular. For dipole it will count. And last one, last but not the least, capacitor. आता सगळ्यांशी मराठीत बोलूया जरा, त्यांना पण बरं वाटेल. कधी ऐकत नाही ना मला मराठीत, 2 मिनिटच बोलतात म्हणून मध्येच बोलतो. प्रॉब्लेम कशावर सोडवायचे? कॅपॅसिटर. ऑल पोटेन्शियल, ऑल पोटेन्शियल एनर्जी, ऑल. Last but not the least, Coulomb's law, equilibrium, all. If you will solve these all problems, then there is no problem. तो देखो बेटा, अभी आपको अगर चैप्टर 1 and 2 मिला के 8 मार्क्स, 8 to 10 marks, if you have to earn, and let me tell you the big story behind this. There are 16 marks, na? 16, na? So you can't directly distribute the markings. 5 is 15, मतलब इसको 5 ऐसा नहीं. So at least if you do these two topics, then there is a big opportunity for you. You may go up to 12 also. क्योंकि ऑप्शन होते हैं, in between option may be possible that you may opt some questions from this. So always they are giving minimum marks and maximum. Minimum 4, maximum 6. So in between minimum maximum, you will be having opportunity. So somewhere capacitor will help you in these marks. So now I can expect from you, still right now also if I give you paper, then you must be able to get at least 10 marks out of 70. बाकी कुछ लिखा नहीं है, इतना ही लिखा तो 10 मार्क्स आना ही चाहिए. अभी तो कल ही मैंने पेपर का डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन दिखाया आपको. पहले 10 क्वेश्चन 1 मार्क के. तो आपका काम क्या है, जितना मैंने बीए से दिया आपको, हर एक टॉपिक का बीए से आई हैव गिवन पीडीएफ. डू यू हैव दैट ऑल? उसमें क्या आएगा? ऐसा यूनिट आएगा, डायमेंशन आएगा, डेफिनेशन आएगा, डायग्राम. हाँ, नाउ लास्ट बट नॉट द लिस्ट, वी विल put a flash on diagram because in last 2-3 lectures I have not explained you about the diagram. Okay. So for this topic there are no specific diagrams, different diagrams. For each and everything you will draw the diagram. So there is some like this diagram in your book, and that is about the equipotential surface. Do you have that diagram? Somewhere like this. Equipotential surface. I told you na, E is equal to minus dV by dr and all related with that group. Okay. So last point is equipotential surface. Equipotential surface. So I have already taught that. So today it's your duty. Just go through equipotential surface. What you have to learn in that? इधर लिहून घ्या बहुत small पेन्सिल ने वगैरह लिहून घ्या. Number 1, work done to move a charge along the equipotential surface. Work done म्हणून ठेवा फक्त येणार तुम्हाला. You will get the idea. Just keep writing that work done. For that sake, you have to read NCERT thoroughly. That only. Work done to move a charge along that surface and all. And potential between the two equipotential surface. There is a potential difference. This is one surface, this is one surface. And electric field. You have to read about this. They will surely ask you questions. And which page number yesterday I told you? NCERT? Yes. 67, 68 and by heart it. हाँ आपको मालूम ही नहीं चाहिए. 67 पे क्या दिया है, 68 पे ऊपर क्या दिया है, बीच में क्या दिया है, नीचे क्या दिया है. You must be knowing. 67, 68, 69. These pages are very important for you. हर रोज 5 मिनट के लिए इनको रीड करो. कुछ समझे ना समझे रीड तो करो, है ना. अरे ये सब रेगुलरली विल रीड देम. गधा है ना गधा, वो भी बोलेगा। हाँ, आप तो बच्चे हो, यू आर ह्यूमन बींग्स, सुपर कॉप्स, सुपर सुपर ब्रेन्स, सुपर हैकर्स, यू कैन डू दैट। तो बेटा till this point I think I have given you the enough information about all the things what to study and what not to study and how to study. Now it is up to you how you take this, whether it is positively or negatively or neutral. It's up to you. So I hope it will help you to boost your score. Okay. So in brain, now don't make the corners subjective, objective, not like that. Subjective study, if you do neatly with lot of concentration, let me tell you, then there are big chances that you may crack objective also. ऑब्जेक्टिव के लिए बेटा क्या होता है, प्रैक्टिस का इंपॉर्टेंस, डिफरेंट डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ क्वेश्चन। आपने प्रैक्टिस किया तो उधर वहां पे 2 मिनट में आपको 1 मिनट में उसको सॉल्व कर। बट इफ यू आर नॉट नोइंग कंसेप्ट इटसेल्फ, नाउ दिस अनस्टेबल स्टेबल इक्विलिब्रियम, दैट कंसेप्ट इज देयर, मोस्टली इट इज आस्क्ड इन कॉम्पिटिटिव, बट इट इज द कंसेप्ट ना। सो इफ यू आर नोइंग दैट, then it will have the same effect. So I think that's sufficient for you people, and means be in hurry to cover this syllabus. Cover means not to only to read, read and write, read and write, रटो मत, लिख के देखो, है ना। डोंट टेल टू एनीबडी इफ आई थिंक आई एम वीक इन कैपेसिटी, बताने का जरूरत क्या है ना, बताने की क्या जरूरत है। इससे अच्छा है कागज लेकर बैठो, उसको अच्छा करो ना, हो जाएगा। कौन बता रहा है। आई वॉज वेरी डल इन फिजिक्स, वॉज द बिग सब्जेक्ट, फर्स्ट सब्जेक्ट इन विच आई वॉज डल। नाउ आई एम स्टैंडिंग इन फ्रंट ऑफ यू टेकिंग मास्टर्स डिग्री। Nobody is going to ask you what the hell you did. No. You have to be having confidence on yourself. You must be confident. It's not like that. Maths, I never liked. Still, I do mathematics, calculations, everything, integration, derivative, no problem. क्या रोजी रोटी का सवाल है, सिखाना है आपको, कर रहे हैं बढ़ते, वो छोड़ो। Till MSc, I did not. So it is not like that. You can do that. Only the thing is that you must be willing to do that. You must have passion in yourself. So I have to do this. So let me tell you, derivative, integration, they will help you in this. So बेटा calculus कभी छोड़ने का नहीं। मैथ सब लोग का है, अभी आपका नहीं होगा, ठीक। But for PCM students, calculus will help you here. So such that this capacitor and everything will help you in your future. When you will become engineer ना, you will recall my words. अरे तब करना चाहिए था, सर बता रहे थे, हाँ ये ऐसा होता है कैपेसिटर। ठीक है, that's all. अभी ज़्यादा आपका टाइम नहीं था, कितना टाइम होगा बेटा, 1 hour? If it is less than 1 hour ना, हाँ देख लूँगा, अन्य देख लूँगा मैं। ओके चलो बाय बेटा। ओके जितना हो सके उतना भी छोड़ते हैं आपके ऊपर। डू योर स्टडी very precisely with lot of confidence and lot of seriousness. Okay, bye bye, God bless you.